Do you believe in the devil, Father? Do you believe he exists? In this world, among us? I've been preoccupied of late with questions of morality. Of right and wrong. Good and evil.
Another man's evil does not make you good.
There's only one way to stop me, but you're not gonna do it.
I'm not seeking penance for what I've done, Father.
Killing anyone, even Fisk, it will change everything that you feel about yourself.
And I'm asking forgiveness for what I'm about to do.
Yes, Matthew. I believe he walks among us, taking many forms.
There was always this glorious darkness inside you.
I think you're a man who can't finish the job. I think that you're a coward. One thing you just can't see. You know you're one bad day away from being me.
Maybe it isn't only about justice, Matt.
You believe people can change?
Maybe it's about you having an excuse to hit someone.
I don't think we can. Not really.
Maybe you just can't stop yourself.
I don't want to stop. Then why do I still feel guilty? I used to listen to people's prayers. In here, and out on the street.
Guilt can be a good thing. It's a soul's call to action. The guilt means your work is not yet finished.
I think we come into this world who we are.
You're a warrior.
You're a lawyer. You're supposed to be helping people.
That's not all I am.
Warrior by day, vigilante by night.
You don't get what you want by day. You take it by force at night. This is who you are, Matthew.
I'm Daredevil. Not even God can stop that now.
Rage cannot stay inside. It needs to go somewhere.
Or maybe we get a little nicer. Or a little angrier. We can't change our fundamental nature.
You and I have a lot in common.
Get out.
We get up.
Time to stop taking a beating and start giving one.
Right, Dad?
Get out. Get out!
We always get up.
Yes, the son of a boxer.
We're nothing alike.
What are you gonna do?
We're gonna kill him.
How many men have you killed protecting this city?
I just don't think I can let myself fall in love with someone who's
Come on! Kill me now!
so damn close to becoming what he hates.
God knows I want you. But you don't get to destroy who I am. This city rejected you. It beat you. I beat you.
Get out of my city.